So this video today, this is Maniac Mechanics channel, and this is how you annoy the mechanic. What you doing, man?
Looks like I'm doing.
What you doing? Are you working on your car?
Yeah.
You working on your car?
Yeah.
No, you're not doing that right. Hey, you're not doing that right.
What do you mean I'm not doing that right?
You're not doing that right. See, that dent right there, you're supposed to do it a different way, and it got to be somewhere else.
Somewhere else.
Yeah, you're not doing that right.
Somewhere else.
Hey, babe, he's not doing this right.
No, he's not.
Yeah, you're not doing this right. Hey,
Really?
you're not doing this right. Here, let me see your hammer. I can do it.
fool.
All right, well, let's see. Go ahead. Do it. No.
Yeah. Fuck your fucking shit ass.
I don't think you know what you're doing.
I know what I'm doing. It's installed, ain't it?
All right, now just put the rim on. I gotta go.
Put the rim on.
You don't need to cover that. You don't need.
You don't want the drum on there.
What? No drum. You don't need no drum. No drum. You think you're damn? This guy's a mechanic. Everyone. Hey, man, this guy thinks he's a mechanic right here. What the fuck, man? He doesn't even know what he's doing. Like, the fuck? I said I wanted my brakes changed, and you changed my hub?
Yeah, because it's broken.
No, I was making a hum noise, and that was my brakes.
Yeah, it was this hub right here. This bearing is shot.
Let me see. What? Man, get the fuck out of here. I don't care. What the fuck's up with my brakes?
Ain't nothing wrong with your brakes. You just stupid. That's what's wrong.
All right, well, hurry up. Let's finish this. Come on, guys. Let's finish this.
Well, you gotta just put this on, and you can get the fuck out of my property
Okay.
and my shop. Wait, I ain't got a shop.
How much do I owe you, though?
500.
Ooh. By the way, I almost got like $20.
What?
Yeah, let's go.